G'day folks, just thought I'd do a bit of a video on this Braemar Ecostar central heating unit. It's a natural gas model. We'll start with the electronics. We've got 24 volt control that goes into the house. This is your ignition module. That's your fan motor run capacitor. It has 3 speeds. You can, obviously the thermostat plugs in here, tell it when to start and run. Your forced combustion blower that forces air or exhaust gas out of the combustion tubes. This is the vacuum switch down here. There's 2 thermal switches on the discharge housing. Gas pressure regulator and your little jet blowers. Fuel mixture goes down inside these tubes and burns up, and air from the inside of the house gets blown through this centrifugal blower, through this matrix of tubes, and then out back into the house through the ducts. Actually quite a simple system when you think about it, but they're very efficient. They're probably one of the best type of heating systems you can get.